all, I just want to say Happy New Year's Eve to everyone. I hope you will have a fantastic New Year's Eve. Please take care of yourself. Don't do things that I wouldn't do, which is a lot of things. You know what that is, okay? But I hope everyone will have a fantastic new year. Set your goals, follow these goals, and you will be where you want to be within the next year. So prepare yourself now if you haven't already done it. If we're just continuing to be consistent and be disciplined, have structure, then we can create anything that we want in life, because that's basically three things that we need for us to succeed with whatever it is that we want to accomplish. With that, I also want to go directly into the monthly chart, because we do have a new monthly candlestick opening soon in a couple of hours. We're starting off by looking at BTC. The first thing that we need to do is highlight support and resistance zones, and we broke a previous support around 18,200. And to what next level can the market drop down to? Well, we're looking at the previous resistance that we have around 11,000 and 10,000, which is very important. We can also drag a support trend line just so we can see where the next potential level can be before we see the rejection, because the trend line will give us rejection before we see the market reaching the support. Okay, so that is on the monthly chart. Then we just go down to the weekly chart to calculate what potentially can happen from here. And what we can see on here is that the market is still creating lower lows and lower highs. The market has just now created a new lower low. So what we can do, because we need to calculate where the next potential lower high can be, we're using the fib from the last lower high to the new lower low. We have almost already retested the 50% at 18,435. From here, we go down to the daily, because we have to break down everything bit by bit. And what we're gonna do is that we'll take another support trend line, because we want to see what the market is doing at this moment. So the market did break below the new support trend line that we do have after the retest that we almost had at the 50%. When we've been looking at the daily, we're going down to the 4-hourly chart to see what the market is doing. And clearly we can all see that we were in a sideways market before. We have broken the sideways market, and right now we are below the previous support at 16,640. We see the market have retested it for a lot of times. If we're just going back to the daily chart, but based on that, we are overall here too also in a sideways market between 17,200 and the support at 16,200. Inside the sideways market, we have another sideways market. So from here, if we're continuing to drop, we're looking at 16,160. From here, we just might see the market continue down to create lower lows, lower highs, because remember what the market has done now is it has been creating one lower low, lower high. So if the next lower low will be created, we will break below the previous lower low that we have around 15,415 if we want to be precisely. But based on the Fibonacci that we almost retested at 18,455, the first take profit based on this is down at 14,075. So if the market continuing to be bullish, bearish, no matter how long it takes for the market to break this consolidation market, most likely the next target where we will see the market give us some rejections again is around 14K, and after that we have take profit 2 at 10,800, and then we have take profit 3 down at 8,200. The market doesn't have to come to this level, but I'm following what the Fibonacci is giving me, and most of the time the Fibonacci levels are very respected, but that is long-term target. But based on that, we have a new monthly candlestick opening. We just might see the market have some bullish momentum. Remember that we can definitely see the market continue up once again and retest the levels at 18,450 or 19,170. Have that in mind. We need to wait and see how the market's gonna behave from the sideways market that we're in at this moment, and from here we need to see a clear breakout, whether that is from the resistance or from the support. But these are the levels that we're looking at, and we have all of the targets based on the weekly chart, because remember where the market is bouncing from level to level. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies, then you can receive a bonus on the best platform right now on Bybit up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it pinned in my corner right here. This is a great platform for anyone that wants to have low fees while trading and zero fees when it comes to spot pairs. Another really good thing when it comes to Bybit is that Bybit also gives out other bonuses outside the ones that you can get from me. But overall, super simple platform to trade on. You got everything on the same page when you're taking your trades, etc. Remember, it's leverage trading. Thank you everyone for looking at this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. As I said in the beginning, I wish everyone a happy new year. So prepare yourself for a great year. Hopefully now, have a good day. Take care of yourself. Don't do things I wouldn't do. Okay? I love you. Bye.